Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing a quick and easy way to create your own sheet mask for glowy skin. Cotton sheet masks can be purchased on Amazon and come with a small container to make just the right amount of mixture for a single mask. So, starting with aloe vera juice as a base, just pour enough into the container to fill it halfway. The mask comes very compact, as you can see, but as you fill it with the liquid, the mask will begin to expand. I'm going to add a little bit more aloe vera juice so that it's really saturated. Then you mix in a little oil and an essential oil. I'm using sweet almond oil and lavender essential oil. Almond oil helps to improve your complexion and skin tone and also reduces puffiness. In conjunction with the aloe vera juice, it really boosts moisture in your skin. The lavender essential oil is good for reducing the appearance of fine lines and helps combat acne. Just add a few drops of that. There's numerous recipes you can come up with, and what's great is doing it yourself ensures there are no chemical preservatives. You want to make sure everything is mixed well. You can also opt to mix all the ingredients first and then dip the sheet mask in, but of course I had to be backwards today. So fun fact, sheet masks originated in Japan and South Korea. They are used to improve your skin's texture, brightness, and moisture levels. I've used sheet masks for many years and I can vouch for how luxurious they are for your skin. You can also apply your serums to the sheet masks and it helps your skin to better absorb them. Once your mask is all mixed up, you just apply it to your skin and smooth it on. You're going to make sure everything adheres. I actually got a silicone cover for this that hasn't arrived yet, but it'll help it to stay on your skin further. Sheet masks are a great addition to your skincare routine. I shared in a previous video on how to develop a skincare routine, and I'll leave a link to it as well as relevant products down in the video below. You want to make sure that any leftover product is smoothed into your neck. Just smooth whatever product you have left in that container down into your neck and just make sure that you use every drop of goodness. Anyway, thank you so much for watching and have a very blessed day.